Otago goes ahead, my boys, in country and in town. There's not a better bit of land beneath the British crown. It is indeed a favourite spot, the emerald of the south. There's peace and plenty in her gates, there's bread for every mouth. There's work enough to do, my boys, and that same work is rough. There's ploughing and there's ditching from Waitaki to the Bluff. There's shepherding and shearing sheep, splitting posts and rails. There's threshing by the bushels, boys, by bullock and by flails. With steady hearts and blistered hands, from day to day we toil. The bread and sweat the labour brings from working your own soil. Then why should men remain at home and live from hand to mouth? Why don't they leave the starry north and seek the balmy south? There's work enough to do, my boys, and money for the bold. Otago's not too bad a place, whatever you've been told. For ladies all get married soon, they never will be bored. They grace themselves like duchesses, sit round to be adored. Otago goes ahead, my boys, in country and in town. There's not a better bit of land beneath the British crown. It is indeed a favourite spot, the emerald of the south. There's peace and plenty in her gates, there's bread for every mouth.